My name is Ben Doria. I'm 89 years old. I've been living in this house since 1972. I'm very happy here. This is going to be my third roof I ever put on, which nobody else could say. I don't think, not too many people. My wife found a leak in the attic last December. She wanted to get down some Christmas presents, and we talked about it and say, why try and fix it? It's 25 years old to the day, to the week, whatever. So we decided to talk about it, and we said, let's get a new roof. Let's get a couple estimates. So I looked in a penny saver and found Rapid Restore. So I never look in a penny saver for something as big as this. So if we called them, a couple of days later, Jacob Gianelli, the salesman, shows up. Very nice man, not pushy at all. Gave us the whole job, what they were going to do. And he said, this is it. And he says, if you want any more, you want me to follow up on a job, if you get another salesman to come over and give you a price. He says, just make sure that they gave you everything that I'm going to give you. I says, okay. So, meanwhile, I've talked about it. We were very happy with Jacob. And we said, no, I'll call you in a day or two. So next day or two, it rained again, and sure enough, it was still leaking. So then we called Jacob and says, we're going to take the job. And we made a date for when they come. So a couple of weeks later, they come. They unloaded the tools and stuff, and they gave them for the roof where they would slide down the shingles. And they said they were going to not leave a mess. And sure enough, it was clean as a whistle after they got done. But during that, I was sitting in the den, and they were doing a video of the whole job. The guy on the roof, he did the whole video, sent it down to me, and watched the whole progress. And that was it. At the end of the day, everything was nice and clean. We had a new roof. Paid them off, and off we go. And that's the story.